This equals to tan inverse 1 plus root 3 upon, from here I can, if I take root 3 common, here root 3 plus 1 plus sec inverse square root of, from here I can take 4 common, 4, 2 plus root 3, here I can take 3 common, 3, here 2 plus root 3. Now this gets cancelled, 1 plus root x, so root x plus 1 gets cancelled. What we have? Tan inverse 1 by root 3 plus sec inverse square root of 4, okay? Square root of 4 is what? 2. 2 upon root 3. This is what? Tan inverse 1 by root 3 is what? Pi by 6. Sec inverse 2 by root 3 is what? This also pi by 6. This is 2 pi by 6 is what? Pi by 3. This is the required answer.